So we are going to do a Dutch pour this morning. We are going to be using white and black only. We're going to make it a very, very simple, elegant looking Dutch pour. I want it to be more flowy and wavy. I guess more like mist and air. So the mixtures are a lot thinner than what we would normally do. The white is a mixture of the DecoArt Media Fluid Acrylics Titanium White and then the Americana Snow Titanium White. It is, we put a lot more water than what we would normally do because I want it really liquidy. In my water, I add this Liquitex Flow Aid. It is a type of fluid medium, but it also is a binding agent. Is one part of the Flow Aid to 20 parts of water. So I can normally get 4 full gallons out of this. I just have an extra Floetrol jug that I'll pour a quarter of this bottle into it and then just fill it up with water. I put a date on it so I know whenever I made it. And actually I've been using this jug for a while. So it is 6 ounces of the DecoArt pouring medium, 1 ounce of the Americana Snow Titanium White, 2 ounces of the Fluid Acrylics Titanium White, and then 2 ounces of water. So that is that mixture. It is quite thin, and it does have some chunks in it. When I was pouring the Media Fluid Acrylics, some chunks came out, so I'm going to strain that. And then our black is the DecoArt Americana Lamp Ebony Black, and that one was 2 ounces of pouring medium, trying to remember. 2 ounces of pouring medium, no, 1.5 ounces of pouring medium, half an ounce of paint, and then 0.3 ounces of water, and to make our black very, very thin. And we're going to strain our white so we don't get any chunks. I normally always strain my white, especially if I use like a thicker paint. I will always strain my white. So I just have some cheesecloth. I always keep some cheesecloth nearby, and I just cut off a section of the cheesecloth. And I just put it over 1 cup and then pour it into another cup. And that's going to strain it. And any chunks that were in there will be strained out. I'm not feeling great today. I got up, was going to go to the gym and work through not feeling great. I think it's just allergies. We've got a cold front coming through, and we had some thunderstorms come through last night. I just think it kicked up all the allergies. But sorry, I was coughing. My husband has a pretty bad migraine this morning, and I decided not to go to the gym. So I got up, got dressed, got everything together, grabbed the keys, drove to the gym at 3 o'clock this morning. Get to the gym to realize that I grabbed the wrong set of keys, and now I can't get in because I don't have my key fob. So that was a bust. Had to turn around, come home, and just decided to get some painting done and get some work done. So, all right, so our white has been strained, so hopefully it is chunk free. We are going to flood the canvas with white, and then we are going to take our black and kind of go up from one side to the other, and then blow it out. I'm using the Conair Cord Keeper 1875. I get mine at Target. I believe I put a link down in the description. I do the lowest heat setting, highest pressure, and when I do the base coat and I move the base coat around, I do hit the cool button just to make sure I'm not putting any heat on that paint because I don't want any curing to happen. All right, let's get started. Alright, so I wasn't going to post this video, but I decided to go ahead and do it after cleaning my mess up over here. I wanted to post this because I'm on quite a few pouring pages, and there are some artists that I follow that, you know, have 100,000 subscribers and always post beautiful, gorgeous work and all that kind of stuff. And I am by no means in their caliber. My channel is very small, only about 25,000 people. But I did want to post this, that not everybody has a great day. Even some of the best artists have bad days. And artists like me also have bad days. So I did want to post this, that even though everything may seem to be going wrong, you can still get a beautiful painting. This is actually quite gorgeous. And I do really like the way it turned out. It is not what I envisioned. It is not what I would plan. I did not plan on dropping half of my paint on my table and getting it all over my gloves and my knife sheath and all that kind of stuff. But stuff happens, and sometimes nothing goes right, but you can still get something beautiful out of nothing going right, even when you feel like total crap like I do right now. So hopefully that encourages somebody who sees all of these gorgeous things that people are posting on Facebook and all these wonderful videos and all this kind of stuff, that everybody has bad days, and you just got to push through them and try and find the beauty in what you did. So thank y'all very much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this, all the blunders and all. Down in the description, the paint colors used as well as the mixture ratios. Also links to my Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, as well as my website, guidedbyfaithdesigns.net. I'm not going to do a part 2 to this video. I am just going to seal this one up and put it on the shelf. I'll put it on my website whenever it dries. This is a 12 by 36 canvas. I forgot to say that earlier. But again, I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope everybody has a wonderful and blessed day. And as always, God bless.